When I saw you, my heart raced and my sky, which was dark and empty, suddenly shone. They say love at first sight doesn't exist, but why did you attract me so intensely? It's not like I wanna think about you all the time, but how can this happen? Every time I see you, even from a distance, I already feel good. It's like seeing all the beauties of this world in someone's face. A pure and sincere feeling is all I've ever wanted, and I want more. Time can pass, it doesn't matter, I'll wait for you. That's because I haven't even talked about your smile yet. It's like looking at the most beautiful and perfect paradise. I could spend the day talking about you for sure, but words would fail to describe so much beauty. I just wanna be able to be with you one day and tell you everything I feel. Otherwise, I'll regret it.